Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 different ways to start twist. Please like the video, comment and subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate your support. On well moisturized hair, I went ahead and sectioned the hair. I used shining gem to part and also to ensure that the roots are clean. For the first method, I separated the natural hair into 2, then placed the hair extensions in the middle. I then started twisting the 2 strands individually until when the twist was strong, and then I continued twisting the strands around each other until the end of the braid. If this method is a bit difficult for you, stay tuned to watch and try other methods as well. Now moving on to the second method. After applying shining gem, I went ahead and took my desired hairpiece size, then separated the braiding hair or hairpiece into 2, so the other half will be used as a feed-in, and this is to avoid a thick knot on the roots. I will then hold the natural hair with one hand and wrap the braiding hair once to avoid a big knot and start braiding right away. I then went ahead and separated the natural hair into 2 and started twisting while adding the other half so that the twist thickness can be the same as on the other methods. I will then continue twisting until the end of the braid. For the last method, which is the third method, I separated the natural hair into 2, then placed half of the braiding hair, or you can place the entire hair if you want. Then I braided the natural hair using the 3 strands technique or box braids method. And here you can also use a rubber band if you don't want to use the box braids method. I then took one side of the braiding hair or hair extensions and used it to wrap and hide the braided natural hair. And then I tied after wrapping and separated the hair into 2 equal parts and started twisting, and then I'll continue twisting until the end of the braid. Please let me know on the comment box which method is easier, neater, or what you're going to try. Now this might be a bit weird, but I somehow like method 3, and do not be surprised if you see me doing a DIY twist using this method.